Transfer photos from iPhone to Windows PC. No iTunes. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to the PC. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to your Windows PC. Then unlock your iPhone and tap Trust this computer if prompted. Step 2. Open Photos or File Explorer. On your PC, open File Explorer. Click this PC, then select your iPhone under Devices and Drivers. Step 3. Access the Photos folder. Open Internal Storage, go to DCIM, and then you'll see folders containing your photos and videos. Step 4. Copy photos to your PC. Select the photos or folders you want. Right-click, copy. Paste them into a folder on your PC for desktop pictures, etc. Step 5. Safely disconnect your iPhone. Close all folders. Unplug the USB cable. Your photos are now saved on your PC. For bonus tips, photos are sorted by folders, not by date. Live photos transfers as a photo and video. Keep your iPhone unlocked during the transfer.